So yeah, right now I'm just I forgot to vlog at the beginning of it. Ain't gonna cap. Right now we're helping my auntie with her classroom. You know, school's about to start in like a week. You feel me? So I can't do it before and after because I literally started vlogging like our last freaking task to do. You feel me? So I ain't really getting nothing to show y'all really. You know what I'm saying? But it's straight for real. We maybe get little clips here for y'all, but that's about it. And you swear it turned on before, bro.
Yes. I just got done charging it too.
At this point, bro, I don't ever think it turned on, man. I don't think it turned on. I think it turned on. This man is determined, bro.
So it means it's charging.
Right? All right, we'll get back to it then. You know what I'm saying? Red mean dead, green mean food.
Oh, I think I clicked this. Does that stop it from... You saw the blade? Look.
Good.
Good move.
Okay, it just got little power, so yeah, you just need to...
No, because when I was charging it, I pressed that off and this wasn't on. That probably not charging.
Yeah, babe, I wasn't charging this whole time, bro. What you gotta say, man? What you gotta say to that? What you gotta say to the people, bro?
Don't buy the vacuum.
Man, I know y'all see the bread, man. Come on, guys. Come on, bro. Oh, let me spread real quick for y'all. Ran out of paper. Better not say nothing. Who I be talking to, chat? Like, who I be talking to? I know I ain't talking to y'all like that. Yes. I have all the power in the world. Again. Alright guys, we got a massive unboxing from you guys, boys. The Do Not Drop Lakeshore Flex Space double-sided TJ ASO, boys. Oh my gosh. That's what it really be though. Oh my gosh, boys. Don't lie, that was all of us during Christmas. We forgot, bro, earrings, bro. Hold on, I'm tweaking. You know, shit. You know, shit. Yeah, oh, that boy Fleazy. Come on, man. Mission accomplished, you feel me? Went to a Chinese place, bro. Her homemade Arnold Palmer's. If y'all didn't know, Arnold Palmer's are my favorite drinks. Her homemade, like, sweet teas. Bro, that's an Arnold Palmer, bro. She makes a sweet tea and then put lemon in it. I don't know what she be doing, but... Oh my gosh! But I thought of the most beautiful idea. I got some frozen fruit at home. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know the sugar content in this junk, I'm not gonna lie, but it's good, bro. So I had the beautiful idea of I'm gonna use this as the liquid for my frozen fruit, so I'm gonna see how it tastes. in the trash can. Dang. She grabbed the knife. Like, stop playing with me, bro. Like, I'm really the well-seasoned man for real. Like, what can I not do? But stop playing. That acai bowl is good. I had to put it in the freezer because it got too watery. Yeah, it didn't hold up as long as I thought it was going to. But we gonna put it in the freezer. Hopefully that doesn't mess it up. Oh my gosh! But the taste is there. I ain't gonna cap. Consistency and appearance, it needs work. But who won it, boy? Oh, you won it? Guess what? You're not getting it. Ah! Oh, what's good, y'all boys? Well, not y'all boys, my fault. What's good, y'all? You know what I'm saying? What's up? So, we about to go to the movies right now. You know what I'm saying? Me and the boy Phil, you feel me? Finna watch a movie called Blue Beetle. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know, I really be in like I don't be into it a lot no more because, you know, it takes time to be in it. But I used to be in like, you know, comics and stuff like that with Marvel and DC, and I still love it. But I'm just not all the way in it like how I used to be no more. Because, you know, really be locked in for real, you know what I'm saying? Trying to build that empire. But yeah, so we just about to do that right now. Catch y'all when we done.